Hello, Eco DIY lovers! Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, this channel is all about promoting sustainable and eco-friendly DIY projects. If you want to support a greener environment and enjoying your homemade, please subscribe, set an alarm, and join our growing community. Why do we have so much fresh thyme?
Heb je vers thyme gekookt?
Ja, dat stond op het recept.
He bought a bunch of fresh thyme because the recipe said you needed 5 to 10 sprigs of thyme. 5 to 10. So, what am I going to do with all these leftover thyme? According to the Western herbal traditions, thyme is used for swelling of the main airways in the lung, cough, stomach problems, and many other conditions. In Eastern herbalism, thyme has warm and dry energy, warming the stomach and relieving cold and pain. So I decided to make a herbal tincture with thyme. Herbal tinctures are concentrated herbal extracts made from herbs steeped in typically alcohol or vinegar. I leave them overnight to evaporate some moisture and then start with the recipe, because the moisture in fresh herbs shortens tincture's shelf life. Put the herbs in a clean glass jar. There are no exact measurements for herb and solvent, but in general, 1 part dried herb and 3 parts solvent, or 1 part fresh herb and 2 parts solvent. Then pour the alcohol. I will use this 40% alcohol vodka as a solvent. Vodka is a very popular solvent since it is so easy to get. Taking herbs properties very good, and it provides the tincture with a long shelf life of between 2 to 4 years. Close the jar and store it in a place away from direct sunlight. Leave it for around 40 days with occasional shaking. After 40 days, drain it through a cloth, a coffee filter, or a fine mesh filter. I used this fine mesh tea filter. This is the best for me so far. Draining goes much faster than a cloth or a coffee filter, and it will help to keep any sediment from the herbs from slipping through. The alcohol of vinegar draws out the active ingredients in the plant part, concentrating them as a liquid. The holistic health benefits from the herb are transferred to the alcohol. Mine is ready to use. Look at this color, beautifully dark and green. A thyme tincture is known to be good for relieving some complaints: abdominal pain, nausea, diarrhea, muscle pain, toothache, cough, and itching of the skin. For me, it works well, especially for digestive complaints. A recommended dose is 2 to 4 milliliters 3 times daily. Of course, I taste alcohol and taste some sweet and spicy from the thyme. Thyme tincture is considered to be safe, with no known side effects. However, everyone is different. If you feel dizzy, an uncomfortable stomach, or something, discuss using tincture of thyme with your doctor to decide if it is appropriate for you. If the alcohol is too strong, it is possible to reduce its strength by mixing the tincture with hot water like tea. Just wait few minutes for the alcohol to evaporate. Tune in next time for more eco-friendly and healthy DIY ideas. 고맙습니다.